Hi folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al. Now, what I'm going to do is we're going to talk about, this is for Prepforit. Yeah, I know our president's an idiot, but I have to vote for him at the course of history. They kind of docked my reply to your comment, so I had to put down this, make this little video for you. Now, hopefully I can expand this. Now, finally, in NBC and a lot of news people are saying the surge, the Red Dragon surge. You can see that. Whoops. I went too far. Ah, damn it. This is why I need high tech. Okay. See that? This is July 4th on the surge, high tech. All right. That's from NBC. You check them out. For weeks, I've been telling people about this, but it's been falling on deaf ears. And nobody have shaved or cleaned up or dressed properly, so we're having the surge. Now the surge is way different from the original Red Dragon. All right, it mimics dengue fever. I've been poring over the medical books, and if you check out Huble's cat and Brad from Full Spectrum Survival, they talk about masks and everything else. I'll show you all that stuff in a minute, but nobody reads about the effects. Now, you need clotting. Huble's cat's right, they're doing clotting agents, and they still haven't did dialysis yet. But the big thing for the surge is dialysis and anti-clotting agents and lots of oxygen. But nobody ever listens to old Uncle Al, and everybody notices he's a kook. This is where I'm going to say, I told you so. Okay? Yeah, the crazy old guy is right. We're all morons. I didn't say it, you guys did. Now, a lot of you should have one of these. Especially you have like, I had a really bad case of the flu. That's type B of the Red Dragon. What you don't realize, you're still infected and it's mutating through your body. So you should get one of these. Okay? I don't need that. I'm perfectly fine. I'm hiking with a backpack. No, you're overweight, you're old, fat, and you don't shave, so I do recommend getting one of these. Fits on your finger. Okay, I finally remember what's the paracord and the table linen, and that was for what was coming up. I did this, what was it, 5-6 months ago? And I completely forgot about what was the use. That was the use, folks. If you watch my older videos, I tell a lot of people, carry Lysol. Simple, not rocket science. Gloves, not rocket science. Now, I have to agree with Hubble's cat. These are pieces of. About the same thing as this. Don't poke holes. Don't wear it like a little hat. Don't wear it like this or like this. Don't have the sides open. This is why we're having the surge. Okay? You're hyperventilating yourself. You're not oxygenating properly. That's why I tell people you should have one of these at all times to check your oxygen levels in your bloodstream. Daily, you drink a teaspoon of baking soda and 8 ounces of water. Common sense. All right? Got it? Okay? This is the stuff you really want to have. See all that listings? I'm kind of tired, and I shouldn't be doing these videos over and over again. We're at the midway point. You better have shaved. Oh, I'm going to take my chances. Here's your chances. 80% you're going to die. Really bad and horribly this fall. If you heard my voice and you're laughing, you already got the surge. I would get tested. See, I'm going to take all precautions. I'm staying home. Screw you guys. I've been ready for a year and a half. So I'm just, well, it's a mean thing, but it's a really mean thing. It's kind of sick, but it's fun. A few of my friends in Vegas, we have a Deadpool, and we're betting on which survivalists or channels on YouTube are going to. So think about it. Catch you later, folks. And this is for Prepforit. I don't trust nobody. I trust myself. Oh, another thing. This is the type of alcohol. That's the percentage. Okay, you mix the two together, and what do you got? Hand sanitizer. I put a little lavender, but I don't have 3 hands. Okay, catch you later, folks.